All right. So today we're going to be discussing how you say dislike and dislike. How do you express what are your favorite things and what you don't like? So the floor is yours.
Okay.
So you came to me with a question on how to say what is your favorite food, what is your favorite animal, book, subject, and singer.
Yeah. These are just some examples, but the main idea is learning how to say like what your favorite things are.
Yep.
And what your not favorite things are, or what you don't like.
And how would you say what's your favorite animal? I'm just gonna be saying it and then you're gonna repeat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite animal? Okay.
What's your favorite animal? Translate to Ukunda, iyihe, nyamaswa.
Or you can say iyihe, nyamaswa, Ukunda. Those are two ways to say the same thing.
Yeah, keep going.
And then an example of an answer would be, I like a lion. Nkunda, intare.
Nkunda, intare.
Okay, I said that a little different.
Nkunda,
intare.
Okay, yeah.
So you don't pronounce the T. Very, like, you don't, it's pronounced like a ha.
Okay, yeah, it's like
Intare.
inhaling, inhale.
Not intare.
Not intare. Yeah, Nkunda, intare.
Alright.
And then what animal that you do not like?
Okay, so to say as an example, I don't like a snake. Ntabwo.
Ntabwo.
I'm not saying, again with those T's. Ntabwo.
You are inhaling. Ntabwo nkunda. Ntabwo nkunda inzoka.
Yeah. I'm not saying
No.
this
Keep
right.
going.
Right.
Keep going.
Ntabwo nkunda inzoka.
Yeah. Just do not give up. Keep just going.
Nkunda inzoka.
Yep. Just keep going. Don't just give up. Okay. Ntabwo nkunda inzoka. Ntabwo
nkunda
inzoka. Yep. Sweet. Then we go to the next one. What is your favorite food? How do you say that?
Ukunda iyihe biryo. Biryo.
Yep. Speak out loud.
Ukunda iyihe biryo. Biryo.
Yep. Or what other way can you say it?
Ni iyihe biryo ukunda.
And then how would you say I like rice?
Nkunda umuceri.
Nkunda umuceri. Nkunda umuceri. That's I like rice.
Umuceri.
Yep.
Okay.
And then, so what food you don't like now?
I don't.
You're going to say I don't like cassava. How would you say it?
Ntabo. I'm saying Nhabo Nkunda imyumbati.
Yeah. Ntabwo nkunda imyumbati.
Ntabwo nkunda imyumbati.
Yep. So we're going now to the book. What is your favorite book? How do you say how do you ask someone what is your favorite book?
Ukunda iyihe gitabo. Ukunda iyihe gitabo.
Or
ni iyihe gitabo ukunda.
Okay. So my favorite book is the Bible. How would you say that?
Nkunda Biblia.
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 Okay. Just read what is written.
Nkunda
Biblia. Okay. Then we keep going. Which book that you do not like? How do you say it? Ni ikihe gitabo udakunda? That's why in Kinyarwanda, that's how you'd say it.
Ni ikihe Kitabo Nkunda.
Ukunda.
Ukunda. Ukunda.
So let's say I don't like math book. How would you say it?
Ntabo. Nkunda. Nkunda, sorry. Ntabo.
Igitabo cy'imibare. Ntabwo nkunda.
Wait, no, that's not even what it's written. Ntabo. Ntabwo nkunda igitabo cy'imibare. So the B is like a G sound. Ntabwo. Nkunda igitabo cy'imibare. I did it.
Okay, now on to your favorite subject. What is your favorite subject? How do you ask someone that?
Ukunda iyihe somo.
Or?
Ni iyihe somo ukunda.
Then my favorite subject is chemistry. How would you say that?
Nkunda isomo ry'ubutabire.
Nkunda isomo ry'ubutabire. Ubutabire. Yep, that's chemistry in Kinyarwanda. And what is your least favorite subject? How do you ask someone that?
Ni irihe somo udakunda.
Yep, I don't like physics. How would you say I do not like physics?
Ntabwo nkunda isomo ry'ubugenge.
Yeah, ntabwo nkunda isomo ry'ubugenge. Yeah, ry'ubugenge. Then onto the singer. What is your favorite singer?
Ni nde muhanzi ukunda.
Yep.
Or ni uwuhe muhanzi ukunda.
Yep. Let's say my favorite artist or my favorite singer is Rihanna. How would you say that?
Muhanzi nkunda ni Rihanna.
Okay. Then who is your least favorite artist?
Ni muhanzi udakunda.
Nuwuhe muhanzi udakunda. And let's say I don't like a singer called Lucky Water. It's a fictional singer. So
maybe.
So that
maybe not.
I don't know any singer named Lucky Water. So but okay. Yeah.
Ntabo. There is the CH sound. Nhabo. Okay. Nhabo. Nkunda. Lucky Water.
Yep. And now just say I don't like Lucky Water.
Okay.
Alrighty, so this concludes today's lesson, and we will do another video to show you the keywords we used in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, and all my mess ups and my corrections as well, because correcting our mess ups is what's important here.
I guess.